Welcome to A2Z AMC Training Series. In today's video, we will talk about how a private client, when an appraisal order is accepted, how they can pay for that appraisal order. So basically, when an appraisal order is submitted, it is reviewed by the operational admin of the AMC, and when they accept that appraisal order, as you can see, it's accepted. But there are different scenarios. They can reject or they can request for changes if they feel there any changes is required. So they can send back for changes as well. So as this was an appraisal order that just required no quote, so it's just accepted and we need to now provide a payment for it. So as you can see, it says a payment is required and it should be done before the June 19th. So when you click on this appraisal order, it says that we can pay for this appraisal order. So before we dive into this thing, I need to define you that there are two types of payment method. The first one is that if you want to pay it by your pocket, and the other is that if you want to send the payment link to any other person and they will pay for your appraisal order. So the first one is pay now, that when we click on this pay now button, we have to pay it by our own pocket. So it will navigate us to the Stripe gateway where we need to do the payment. And after the payment has been made, I will show you what we can do. So as the payment has been completed, it says the payment completed successfully. In the status update, you can see there's a milestone. And moving towards the transaction page, you can see that the payment was made and by which channel it was paid now. So now I'm going to show you how you can send a payment link, and to do so, we need to do it with another appraisal order. So there's another appraisal order that has been accepted and a payment is required. And when we move towards this, so we can see the status update, it has been accepted by the operational admin. So we need to send a payment link. So we'll click on the send payment link and it says that once you send a payment link, you will not be able to use pay now until the link is cancelled or expires. Continue. So we click on the continue. We need to provide in the name of that appraisal, the person that we need to send the link. For example, I'm going to provide this name and the email of that person. And we click on the send payment link button. So basically, if you want to, you can send the payment link and it will be sent to that specific user, and they will be sent it on an email and they can review it and then they can do the payment for it. And if you want that, no, I don't want that person to pay for it and let me know I want to pay by myself, you can click on this cancel payment link and it will be canceled, and then you can choose either of the options. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.